Determining if root logger is set to debug level in Python. If I set the logging module to debug with a command line parameter like this, how can I later tell if the logger was set to debug? I'm writing a decorator that will time a function if true flag is passed to it, and if no flag is given, it defaults to printing timing information when the root logger is set to debug.
Logging.getLogger, without arguments, gets the root level logger. This URL.
Actually, there's one better. Use the code logging.getLogger. Is enabled for logging.debug. I found it while trying to understand what to do with the result of get effective level. Below is the code that the logging module itself uses.
Just